Welcome to this lesson on creating your very first AI video. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to turn a simple video into a fully customizable digital avatar with your own voice, language, and personality. We'll go step by step, from setting up your avatar's look to uploading your footage, refining your voice, and adding visual elements that make your video come alive. Along the way, we'll also explore other powerful AI tools that are shaping how creators make videos today. We will show how Veo turns written descriptions into cinematic footage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to produce a polished, AI-powered video you can share anywhere without needing a camera crew or advanced editing skills. Let's walk through how to create your first AI avatar. First, choose how you want your avatar to look. The most realistic option is to start with a short video of yourself. That gives the AI enough detail to recreate your natural expressions and gestures. When you're ready to record, keep it simple. Film 2 to 5 minutes of unedited footage using your phone or a good camera. Face forward, keep your head level, and speak clearly at a steady pace. Use natural movement with a few facial expressions and hand gestures to make the avatar feel more real. Once you're done, upload your video. You can drag and drop the file or record directly from your webcam or phone and saved as an MP4, MOV, or WebM file. After uploading, the platform will ask you to verify your submission. Take a moment to check the preview and confirm everything looks good. Customize your avatar by selecting your avatar, typing in your script, and choosing your language and accent. You can even fine-tune how the voice sounds by speed, pitch, or tone to match your style. Now add a few extra touches that include text, images, captions, or backgrounds, and use Heygen's AI features to create visuals that support your story. Finally, set your video title, resolution, and format. When you're happy with everything, click Submit. With your avatar ready, your message now has a voice. But every great video also needs movement and atmosphere to draw viewers in. That's where Veo comes in. Imagine you're a teacher or a marketer creating an AI-powered lesson. Heygen is your presenter explaining your message and connecting with your audience. Then there's Veo, who can be your movie director. Just describe the scene, and Veo turns your words into film. It can visualize a store opening, a product launch, a crowd reacting to your new campaign, or even your dream sequence set in the hills of Tuscany, all generated straight from text. Let's see how it works. For example, we can prompt a cinematic short film shot on 35mm, golden hour light. A young woman stands on a quiet street in Florence, Italy, holding a vintage film camera. The breeze moves her hair gently. The camera tracks forward slowly with shallow depth of field, flaring sunlight in the lens. Soft piano music plays in the background. The scene feels nostalgic and reflective, evoking the memory of a past summer. Why it works. Clear subject. A young woman on a quiet street anchors the scene. Setting and mood. Florence, golden hour, nostalgic, reflective, gives Veo cinematic tone guidance. Camera direction. Tracks forward slowly with shallow depth of field, helps Veo interpret motion and focus. Lighting cues. Flaring sunlight in the lens adds realism and cinematic warmth. Optional audio guidance. Soft piano music lets Veo attempt a sound-synced atmosphere. Now, imagine you're a marketer preparing a new campaign. You simply describe the scene. A crowd gathers in front of a sleek glass storefront as the doors open. Confetti falls, people cheer, and your logo glows above. In seconds, Veo turns that text into a cinematic sequence that feels like a real commercial shoot. It's a powerful way to visualize ideas, showcase products, or create compelling brand stories, all without cameras, sets, or production crews. Here's how it all comes together. Veo brings motion and cinematic storytelling, while Heygen gives your lesson a human face, a presenter who connects with your audience and guides them through every idea. When you use them together, your video isn't just informative. It becomes a story. Take a moment to experiment, explore different styles, and make the process your own. In the next unit, AI video editing, we'll explore how to integrate AI tools into your editing workflow. See you in the next unit, where we'll transform your AI footage into a polished, professional video.